Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's no other person than Adoma Paschaline Alex Ijoma. Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you people names of animals in Igbo. Names of animal in Igbo. You understand? So sit back, hold your popcorn, your pen and paper, and be ready to learn today. Afa ụmụ anụmanụ n'ala Igbo. We have goats. Goat in Igbo is ewu. I know all of you know this one. Ewu. We have female goats. Female goat is called nnewu. Male goat is called mpi. Mpi. Male goat is. I remember when we were small, when mpi just passed around the house, my siblings would be like, high sense don't they pass? But mpi, it smells. Yeah. Chicken is called okoko. Chicken is called okoko. Female chicken or cock is called neku okoko. Neku okoko. Male chicken is called oke opa. Oke opa. That one that used to do oke opa. Horse. Enyinya. Horse, ịnyịnya. Horse, ịnyịnya. So that's Mboshobolegra Beach, precious. Eho horse, yes, because chomo eban ịnyịnya. Dog, nkita. Dog, nkita. Duck. Do you know what is duck in Igbo? Can you?
Yes.
Oh yeah, tell me now.
Duck is ducking.
He said duck is ducking. Duck means obogu. Duck in Igbo is obogu. Duck. D-U-C-K. Obogu. 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 Lion. I know all of you know now. Lion. Agu. Lion. Agune chemba nine. Lion. Agu. Tiger. Odum. Tiger. Odum. Tiger. Odum. Monkey. Enwe. Monkey. Enwe. Monkey. Enwe. Snake. Agwo. Snake. Agwo. Like snake. Agwo. Cow. Ehi. My Anambra people call it efi. Cow. Ehi or efi. Sheep. Atụrụ. Sheep. Atụrụ. Male sheep or ram is called ebule. Male Chakashiwana, I know that you don't know it. Nah, Chakashiwana, you be Igbo person. You want to learn Igbo. I want to study Igbo in school. You can study Igbo without being an Igbo person, yeah? Then you might hear ram in Igbo. Ram in Igbo is ebule. Ebule. Lamb is called nwaturu. You know that song they used to sing? Nwaturu Chineke, nwaturu Chukwu, Lamb of God. Lamb is called nwaturu. Lamb is called nwaturu. Cats. I know you shall tell busu. Yes, busu. But then that one is the name that, okay, all of us, busu, that's B-U-U-S-U, busu. But the name of a cat in Igbo is called nwamba. Nwamba. Some people call it nwamba. Some people call it. You have what?
I have nwamba in my class then.
Nwamba is his name. Yes, you're crazy. Cat is called nwamba. Some people call it nwolobo. Some people call it nwolobo, nwamba, nwolobo, nwamba, busu, cat is in Igbo is busu nwamba nwologbo. Cat busu nwamba nwologbo. Turkey. How far? Tell me what is turkey in Igbo now.
Toro.
Hey! Opasiria turkey means toro. Some people say, my people, Anambra say tolo.
There you go.
Tolo. Pig. There is this my friend. We are very close. Every time I used to call her Ish because she don't like to laugh. Pig, Ezi or Ish. Pig, Ezi or Ish. Elephants, Eni. Elephants, Eni. Elephants, Eni. Chimpanzee, Ozodimba. Chimpanzee, it shock you, Abi. You dey do face like this. Yeah. Chimpanzee, Ozodimba. No, Obiasobum. Thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you want to see in my next video.